Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Sign into the Google account you want to use for Gboard backups now. Check that your device has at least 100 MB free storage and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Update Gboard in Google Play to the latest version before you proceed. Open Settings and confirm Android is running a supported version for backup and restore features. Keep your device plugged into power if the backup may take longer than 10 minutes. Open Settings, then choose System, Languages and Input, and on-screen keyboard to find Gboard. Tap Gboard, then choose Backup and Restore to access sync controls. Turn on Save to Google Drive and select the Google account you signed into earlier. Grant Google Drive permission when prompted so backups can upload automatically. Prefer Wi-Fi only in advanced options to avoid mobile data charges during uploads. When you reinstall Gboard or set up a new device, sign into the same Google account to restore data. Gboard automatically restores synced learned words and keyboard settings from your Drive backup. If Restore does not start, open Gboard Backup and Restore and tap Restore manually to trigger the process. Check Google Drive storage to remove old backups and free space if needed. You can force a manual backup from the same backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.